Slow. So, good morning all. Welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. Are you getting my voice? Today is okay? Disturbance? Again the same disturbance? Okay, radio sound is coming. Okay, disturbance. Start. Yes, yes. So, good morning all. Welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. Are you getting now? Are you getting? Okay. So, I think you will be getting now. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So, now what is locus? What is locus? Okay. See, so now definition. Locus is the set of points satisfying one or two geometrical conditions, or better you can say geometrical conditions. So, that is the better thing, we can say that. Satisfying geometrical conditions. Locus is nothing but set of points satisfying the geometrical conditions. That means given geometrical conditions, they are given geometrical conditions. For example, see, if you want to find out the locus of the point which is at a constant distance from a fixed point, this is the fixed point, you say this P is the moving point. So, if you just trace it, you will get a path. So, this path is known as locus. This is called locus. So, here we have the set of points satisfying the geometrical condition. What is the geometrical condition? Actually, this is, for example, at a fixed distance, you say R, for example. This is origin, you say 0 comma 0. P point B, let us say x1 comma y or x comma y. So, this is the here O is called fixed point, whereas P x1 comma y1, sorry, P x comma y is called variable point, or we can say that moving point. See, for example, regarding to this locus, what is the geometrical condition? The geometrical condition means the distance from 0 comma 0 to the x comma y is fixed, that is constant. That means here geometrical concept is distance between the 2 points. So, like that we can define as many as locus. Total geometry itself is the locus itself only. So, for example, now for example, same take this point now. For example, this is a fixed point at a fixed distance. Say this point is something, say O 0 comma 0, this point is P x comma y. For example, this distance is fixed distance, say r. So, now using distance formula, here OP is equal to actually r. Distance between 2 points is given by, we have root of x square plus y square is equal to r, squaring on both sides. So, if you square on both sides, we get x square plus y square is equal to r square. So, this is called the equation to the locus of P x comma y. This is called equation to the locus. Actually, it represents a circle equation whose center is at 0 comma 0 having radius r. Understood now? So, this is called actually equation to the locus. Equation to the locus will be in the form of f of x comma y is equal to 0. So, this is the general form of the equation of the locus. So, in general, so let us find out one more locus now. So, now the important points you remember. So, equation of the locus. What is the equation of the locus? The equation of the locus is algebraic relation. The algebraic relation between the coordinates of the moving point. Generally, you can say x comma y, between x and y, obtained by applying geometric conditions. Is called the equation of locus. Generally, it is in the form of f of x comma y is equal to 0, or if two variables, three variables is there, f of x comma y comma z equals to 0, but we will restrict up to only two variables, this one only. Examples you can write, many examples you can write. So, just now we have discussed x square plus y square is equal to r square. So, generally you can write like this, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then we can write y square is equal to 4ax. We can write x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Generally we can write x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So, x y is equal to c square and x square minus y square is equal to a square, or even straight line also, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. All are the example for the equation of the locus. So, now the general form of the locus, the general form of the locus will be like this, the general form of the locus, that will be, generally we can take it as S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of the equation of the locus. This will be square, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay. This is the equation of the locus. Okay. Right. So, next for example, you take a line segment, for example, say this is one point, this is other point, say this point is a x1 comma y1, this point is say b x2 comma y2. For example, this a comma b are fixed point, they are not moving, a comma b are fixed points, a comma b are fixed points. So, 1 minute. See here, a comma b are fixed points, they are not moving. So, for example, we need to find out the locus of the point which is equidistant from a and which is equidistant from a and b. So, we need to find out the locus of the point which is equidistant from a and from b, we need to find out. So, for example, you take a point here, the distance from, so you take the distance from a to this point, and next distance from this point to say this point is, for example, say p x1 comma y1, or say this is p x comma y. The locus of this p you need to find out. Here what is the condition is given means pa equals to pb. That means condition for the locus is pa is equal to pb. That means we need to find out locus of b such that pa is equal to pb. Here actually the p x comma y is the movable point, whereas both a comma b are fixed. We need to find out locus of p such that pa is equal to pb. So this equation is given by, this is nothing but actually you remember, I take another color. So now you join here. So this is nothing but say this point is m, this will be equal to this. This is the perpendicular bisector of AB also. That means the locus of the point which is PA is equal to, such that PA is equal to PB is the perpendicular bisector of AB itself only. So that means now yes, we get a straight line that will be in the form of AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. So that means now for this one you remember the concept. Here the locus of a point, the locus of a point which is equidistant from a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 is a straight line, absolutely correct, is a straight line whose equation is you remember that equation, see 2 times this, you do like this, x1 minus x2 into x plus 2 times y1 minus y2 of x equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square plus y2 square. So please remember this one, easily we can solve this problem. Okay. So now the locus of a point which is equidistant from a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 is a straight line, whose equation is 2 times x1 minus x2 x plus 2 times y1 minus y2 of x equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square plus y2 square. So this we need to remember, please note down this one, please note down. So today voice is okay, I think here. Okay. So now yes, obviously it will be y. Okay, this will be y. I repeat once again, the locus of a point which is equidistant from a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 is a straight line, whose equation is 2 of x1 minus x2 into x plus 2 of y1 minus y2 into y equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus of x2 square plus y2 square. Do not worry. So, now whenever actually problems we shall discuss this one, right. So, this is also, remember one more thing, equation to the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2. This will be useful for straight lines also. So, you can remember this formula also. Okay, leave it now. So, next let us go for next concept. Okay. Next concept. Okay. See, now this is the center of the circle, say a of x1 comma y1, say this is the point P of x comma y on the circle. So, next this will be r units. Now, the locus we need to find out. So, that means actually the locus of a point, which is at a distance of r from the fixed point, a x1 comma y1 is a circle whose equation is x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square equals to r square. So, this is nothing but a equation of the circle whose center is at x1 comma y1 and next radius is r units, x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square is equal to, that is r square. Next, let A comma B be two fixed points the locus of P such that angle APB is equal to 90 degrees is a circle whose equation is for example, see so now okay, 1 minute, let me complete the figure now. So now say these 2 points are the fixed points, say A, B, this is the P be the point on the locus P x comma y is making 90 degrees. So that means we need to find out locus of P. So that means actually you say A point is x1 comma y1, B point is x2 comma y2. So now AB becomes diameter and next this A comma B are the ends, or the extremities of a diameter. Then the whose equation is given by x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0, or you can remember like this also, x square plus y square minus of x1 plus x2 of x minus of y1 plus y2 of y plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. So, like this also you can remember. Understood now? Okay, now next point we shall have a discussion on next point. The locus of a point P such that Pa is equal to k times Pb, where k is a scalar, that means a real number. Pa is equal to k times Pb. So, first point, see perpendicular bisector of line segment joining AB if k is equal to 1. For example, if k is equal to 1, the locus becomes perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining AB. So, now the second point, this is the first point we have. Second point, a circle, it becomes a circle if k does not equal to 1. K does not equal to 1. If k does not equal to 1, so then the locus of the point P such that P A is equal to K P of B becomes a circle. Okay, next now the important points we need to remember. Let A comma B be 2 points then the locus of the point P such that P A plus P B is equal to K. P A plus P B is equal to K is, first point, an ellipse. It represents an ellipse providing condition if k greater than AB. That means, for example, this type of question is asked in the examination. P A plus P B is equal to K, where A comma B are the fixed points, P is the point on the locus such that P A plus B B is equal to constant K. Then we need to evaluate the distance between A point and B point. If K is greater than AB, it represents an ellipse. Second point, a line segment. When does it represent a line segment? If K equals to AB. So, it represents an empty set, nothing, an empty set if K less than AB. So, you need to remember these conditions are very important, right. So, the weightage of the locus is 1 or 2 marks, but locus is very important for the circles, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, and everywhere is locus. Without locus there cannot be a problem in the even circles or conic sections. Please do remember. Next point, let A comma B be 2 points then the locus of a point P such that mod of P A minus P B equals to K. That means P B minus P A or P A minus P B is First one, a hyperbola if k less than AB. Second, union of two rays if k equals to AB, not line segment in this case, union of two rays. Third, empty set if k greater than AB. So, next point, if A comma B are 2 points then the locus of the point P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to k times PC square. So, first one, a straight line if k is equal to 2. Second point, a circle, it represents a circle if k does not equal to 2 and k greater than 0. Okay. So, next concept we have, generally the general equation of the locus already we have discussed. Okay. So, now say now 3 points, correct. Points, right, absolutely correct. The curve represented by S equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, and delta equals to abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square. That means actually nature of the curve, or we can say types of the curves, nature of the curve. So, the curve represented by S equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, and delta equals to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CS square. So, then with the help of this value, delta value, we can determine the type of the conic. We can decide the name of the conic, or sorry, name of the curve. It may be conic also. So, first a pair of straight lines, it represents a pair of straight lines, a pair of straight lines. So, pair of straight lines means pair of straight lines. If delta must be equal to 0 and h square must be greater than AB, then it represents a pair of straight lines. So, second point, a parabola, what is the test need to be conducted? If delta should not be equal to 0 and next condition h square must be equal to AB, or ax square plus 2hxy plus by square will be perfect square, immediately we can say parabola. Okay, next is third one, a circle. If delta does not equal to 0 and a is equal to b and there should not be xy term, h must be 0 and g square plus f square minus ac greater than 0. So, next now the fourth point. What is the fourth point? A hyperbola. A hyperbola means if, sorry, first let us have a discussion on ellipse, after that we go for, okay, an ellipse. An ellipse means if delta does not equal to 0 and h square must be less than AB. And fifth one, hyperbola, a hyperbola. If delta does not equal to 0 and h square greater than AB. Sixth point, rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola means if A is equal to, here rectangular hyperbola, delta does not equal to 0 and A plus B equals to 0 and h square greater than AB. So, these conditions are very, very important. Okay. See, this is very, very important. It will be useful for circles, parabola, hyperbola and ellipse. For all chapters it will be useful. So, one thing you remember, if third step, okay, right. Now, let us go for the shortcuts now. Shortcuts, we can say tips and tricks also, we can say shortcuts, remember. So, first shortcut, if A is equal to A comma B, B is equal to minus A comma B then the locus of P such that P A plus P B is equal to K. This is very important problem. Or even P A minus P B is equal to K. In both cases, no problem, same shortcut we can apply. Is given by the locus, equation of the locus is given by, very simple to remember, 4x square by k square add on plus here 4 times y minus b whole square upon this is k square minus 4a square equals to 1. So, that means actually you remember here y coordinates are equal. You remember, whenever y coordinates are equal, a will be the numerically equal, but opposite sign x coordinates will be a minus a. Then P A plus B is equal to K or P A minus B K, same shortcut we need to apply. First 4x square, whenever actually the y coordinates are equal, here directly we get x square, 4x square by this k square add on plus here very important, here B is same. So, 4 into y minus b whole square by k square minus 4a square is equal to 1. So, now another shortcut, suppose now x coordinates are same. If a is equal to a comma b and b equals to a comma minus b, here x coordinates are equal, now you can expect the answer. Then the locus of P such that condition is same, P A plus P B is equal to K or mod of P A minus P B is equal to K is. So, now here x coordinates are equal, that means you can write like this, 4 into x minus a whole square upon k square minus 4b square add on plus 4y square by k square equals to 1. But depends on the equation to the locus, we can say that either ellipse or hyperbola can be determined. Understood now? Okay. Don't waste your precious time. So, you need to concentrate it. So, one more shortcut we have. That is the third one. The ends of a rod, the ends of a rod of length K moves on two positive coordinate axis, that means on x axis and y axis in the positive direction. The locus of the point on the rod which divides which divides it in the ratio L is to m is x square by m square plus y square by L square equal to k square by L plus m whole square, or we can write like this also. Both equations you may get it. X square upon L square plus y square upon m square, this is same, k square by L plus m whole square. With the help of all these shortcuts, you can solve by your own. You can solve it, all the problems. So, next one is fourth one. A straight line passing through the point P of x1 comma y1 meets the positive coordinate axis at A and B. The locus of the point P, which divides AB in the ratio L is to m is L x1 by x plus m y1 by y equals to L plus m, or you can write like this also, mx1 by x plus L y1 by y equals to L plus m. Okay. So, these are the actually important concepts. Okay. Do not worry about the weightage of the marks. When you go through the weightage of the marks, that means indirectly you have been neglecting the concepts. Whenever you neglect the concepts, we may not get success in the examination. Understood now? So, this may be useful for in the straight line chapter. Understood now? So, hi Kartikeya, which college you are? So, do not chat unnecessary, Mr. Sheikh. These are the concepts. Now, you can practice the questions now. Next. So, one more important point I will discuss here. For example, you take the coordinate axis like this. So, otherwise we shall move to this one now. This is a better. Okay, wait. So, now right. So, let us take this the coordinate axis, say this is origin, say this is x axis, this is x dash, say y, this will be y dash. For example, you take P of x1 comma y1 any point in the coordinate plane, this is called coordinate plane, understood now. So, now here drop the perpendicular from P to x axis. So, now in the similar manner drop the perpendicular from P to y axis. Okay. So, now see this is here 90 degrees, here 90 degrees. Say this point is A, this point is B. Now, I ask you one question, what is the distance from P of x1 comma y1 to the x axis? Anybody? Nandini, Dishu, Sai Pranav, I asked one question. Sandeep, okay. What is the distance from this P x1 comma y1 to the x axis? X axis, not x1, wrong, wrong. So, that means you see the distance is here y1, mod y1 say better, this is mod x1. So, note down the distance from or the perpendicular distance from P x1 comma y1 to x axis equal to mod y1, equal to mod y1. The perpendicular distance from P x1 comma y1 to y axis equal to mod of x1. Based on this, actually many questions may be asked in the examination based on the perpendicular distance from the point P x1 comma y1 to the x axis and y axis. So, one problem actually we can find out the equation to the locus which is equidistant from the coordinate axis, which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. That means actually here see PA is equal to PB. What is PA? PA is equal to, we have PA is equal to mod y1 equal to, this is mod x1, squaring on both sides, we get y1 square is equal to x1 square, or x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 0. This point lies on the curve x square minus y square is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the locus. This is the required equation of locus. That means this x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 0 means that x1 comma y1 lies on this curve, x square minus y square is equal to 0. So, that is the actually required equation of the locus. So, these concepts you need to remember. And one more thing. So, for example, find the equation of the locus, square of the distances from point to the coordinate axis is some 5 units. That means actually here PA square plus PB square is equal to 5 units. Now, locus of 5 you need to find out. PA square, what is PA square? That will be y1 square, PB square, x1 square is equal to 5. What is the locus you need to write? That will be x square plus y square is equal to 5. What does it represent? it represents a circle whose center is 0, 0 having radius root 5 units. So, like this, so we shall get the equation to the locus. So, this is very important concept. So, you need to remember, this will be useful to solve the problems. I hope you might have noted all the concepts, but actually I observed today you have been discussing with others. So, do not discuss, actually this chapter is very important. You need to discuss with your friends only the based on concepts. Okay. So, wait, now I will check. Okay, good now. Signal is good, no problem. Right, thank you. So, now let us go for the problems now. Problems. First problem. Okay. Right. The locus of the point, which is at a distance of 5 units from -2, 3. So, this is the first question. Okay. First one, x square minus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Second one, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Third one, x square minus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Fourth option, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, this is the question. Okay. So, now the locus of a point which is at a distance of 5 units from minus 2 comma 3. So, this is a circle. Now, the fixed point is the center and this is the radius. That means, C is equal to, you can take center is equal to minus 2 comma 3 and R is equal to 5. Now, the equation to the locus you need to find out. Equation to the locus is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to r square, that is 5 square. So, now we need to simplify. X square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 25. So, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 25 minus 12 is equal to 0. So, that means fourth option is the right option. So, that means actually the locus of the point which is at a distance of 5 units from fixed point minus 2 comma 3. Take fixed point as the center of the circle. Fixed distance is a radius. The equation to the locus is a circle equation. That means actually we have x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square is equal to r square. Substitute x1, y1 and r value, get simplify, you will get the answer. Okay. So, now let us move to the next question. Second question, the equation of the locus of the point whose distance from x axis is twice the distance from the y axis is. So, first one is y square is equal to 4x square, second one is 4y square is equal to x square. Third one is y is equal to 3x. Fourth one is 4x plus y is equal to 0. This is the question. Okay. Now, the equation of the locus of the point whose distance from x axis is twice the distance from the y axis. That means, let us draw the figure, then you will get the idea. See, this is x axis, this is y, this will be y dash, this is the origin. Take another color now. The distance from the point to the x axis, the distance from this point to the y axis. Say this is px1 comma y1, say this point is pa, this point is pb, this is perpendicular. So, we know that pa equals to mod y1, this will be mod x1. So, what is the given condition actually? See, whose distance from x axis, whose distance from x axis pa equals to twice, 2 times distance from y axis pb. Now, replace pa is equal to mod y1 equal to 2 mod x1. In order to actually if you square, you need not write the modulus, will be ignored. Squaring on both sides, just like square root. Squaring on both sides, we get y1 square is equal to 4x1, but locus of px1 comma y1 you need to write. That means px1 comma y1 satisfies this curve. So, that means we get instead of y1 x, instead of x1 x substitute, sorry, instead of y1 y, instead of x1 x. So, we get y square is equal to 4x. It represents a parabola. So, here y square is equal to 4x is the right answer. Y square is equal to 4x square. Sorry, I forgotten. Here square you will be getting. So, y square is equal to 4x square. Y square is equal to 4x square. It is not a parabola, it represents a pair of straight lines. Yes, it represents pair of straight lines. Third question, question number 3. Wait 1 minute. The locus of the point for which the sum of the squares of distances from the coordinate axis is 25 is first option x square plus y square is equal to 19. Second option x square plus y square is equal to 25. Third option x square plus y square is equal to 32. Fourth option x square plus y square is equal to 29. See, the locus of the point for which the sum of the squares of the distances from the coordinate axis is 25. That means actually see, so coordinate axis, let us take, this is x axis, this is x dash, this will be y, this will be y dash, this is the origin. For example, perpendicular distance from the point P to x axis, say A, this is P point, perpendicular distance from P to y axis, say PB. This will be, for example, x1 comma y1. We know this will be mod y1, this will be mod x1. What is given actually here? Sum of the squares of the distances from the coordinate axis. That means first we given condition is actually here PA square of the distance from P to x axis plus square of the distance from P to y axis, PB square is equal to 25. Since PA equals to how much? We have mod y1, this will be y1 square plus x1 square is equal to 25. Therefore, locus of P x1 comma y1 is, in the place of x1 write x, in the place of y1 write y. So, x square plus y square is equal to 25, which represents a circle. So, second option is the right option. Question number 4. A is equal to 2 comma 1 and B equals to 1 comma 2. They are the fixed points or 2 points. If P is a point, such that PA is to PB, this is a condition for the locus, PA is to PB is equal to 2:1, then the locus of P the locus of P is Raviteja, today only you joined, you are asking about the other chapters. These are free classes, so slowly I will take all the chapters, I will cover. That's all. First option 3x square plus 3y square plus 4x plus 14y minus 15 is equal to 0. Second option 3x square plus 3y square minus 4x minus 14y plus 15 is equal to 0. Third option 3x square plus 3y square plus 2x plus 7y plus 13 equals to 0. Fourth option 3x square plus 3y square minus 2x minus 7y plus 13 equals to 0. This is the problem, right? Absolutely correct. PA is equal to PB or PA by PB is equal to 1. So that means A is equal to 2 comma 1 and B is equal to 1 comma 2, and there are two fixed points such that PA is to PB is equal to 2 is to 1. Then you need to find out locus of P. That means condition is here PA by PB is equal to 2. That implies you get PA is equal to 2PB. Squaring on both sides, you get PA square is equal to 4PB square. So let us say the point, no problem, directly you can say P of x comma y, you take it. PA square means square of the distance. Without square root, you need to apply the distance formula from P to A point. So from P to P x comma y to A. Similarly, PB means P x comma y to B, you need to calculate. PA square means x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to 4 times PB square. PB square means x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. You need to simplify, that's all. There is no way. So that means first I will simplify like this: 4 times this will be x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to, this will be x square plus y square, left hand side simplification, minus 2x minus 4x minus 2y plus 5. So now you need to simplify this one. 4x square plus 4y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 5. Bring all the terms to the left hand side. 4x square minus x square, you get 3x square, 4y square minus y square, 3y square minus 8x plus 4x minus 4x minus 16y plus 2y minus how much you will be getting? Minus 16y plus 2 minus 14y, correct, 20 minus 5 plus 15 is equal to 0. You can verify which is the right option. So, second option is the right option. Okay. So, problem number 5. A 1 comma 2, B 2 comma minus 3, C minus 2 comma 3 are 3 points, or 3 fixed points. Or 3 points. If a point P, if a point P moves such that PA square plus PB square equal to 2PC square, then the locus of P. Locus of P means equation of the locus of P, you need to find out. Right. So, that means PA square plus PB square is equal to K into PC square. If K is equal to 2, it represents a straight line. If K does not equal to 2 and K greater than 0, it represents a circle. Now, we get a straight line. So, options 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Second option 7x plus 7y minus 4 equals to 0. Third option 7x plus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Fourth option 7x minus 7y minus 4 equals to 0. Yes, only simplification. Right. Riyarsh, Nimala, you are the new to my class. Okay. A 1 comma 2, B 2 comma minus 3, C minus 2 comma 3 are 3 points. A point P which moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. Then locus of P we need to find out. So, that means let us say let P x comma y be any point on the locus, any point on the locus. You can say x1 comma y1 also, no problem. Other directly this Eamcet examination, directly you can take P x comma y, no problem. Okay. So, now here PA square means distance from A to P and B to P and C to P, you need to find out squares. That means here condition is PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. You get like this: x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, that is PB square, equal to 2 times PC square, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Absolutely problem solving actually skills behind the simplification itself only. So, we need to simplify this one now. Let us simplify it. We get like this: x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 5 plus x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 equals to 2 times x square plus y square plus 4x, excuse me 1 minute, hello, sorry. So, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 13. Okay. So, now x square plus x square is 2x square, y square plus y square is 2y square, minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x minus 4y plus 6y, that is plus 2y plus 5 plus 13 plus 18 equal to 2x square plus 2y square plus 8x minus 12y plus 26. Here 2x square gets cancelled, 2y square gets cancelled. So, now this can be rewritten as like this: 8x minus 12y plus 26 equals to minus 6x plus 2y plus 18. Bring these three terms left hand side: 8x plus 6x 14x minus 14y, 26 minus 18 plus 8 equals to 0. Now, divide by 2 throughout, divide by 2. So, what do you get now? 7x minus 7y plus 4 equals to 0. This is the required locus. So, first option. Wait 1 minute. Right, thank you. So, in the examination no rough paper will be given, but you need to solve in your mental calculations only, you need to do it. Because I need to explain to others, I need to solve each and every step. Some steps you need to miss. Understood now? So, the question number is 6. The question number is 6. Okay, you will be getting. Wait. The equation of the locus of the points which are equidistant from the points from the points 2, 3 and 4, 5 is, this is very important problem. First option is x plus y is equal to 0. Second one is x plus y equal to 7. Third option is 4x plus 4y is equal to 38. Fourth option is x plus y is equal to 1. Okay. This is the question. Actually, I am not able to properly see with this specs. I am getting a problem, right? Okay. Right, PA is equal to PB. Correct. So now are you getting? Okay. The equation of the locus of the points which are equidistant from the points 2, 3 and 4, 5. That means actually here so now this is the point, say p x comma y is equidistant from the two fixed points a 2, 3 and b 4, 5. So, these two distances are same, that means PA is equal to PB. This condition is given. So, you can apply even squaring on both sides also, you get squaring on both sides, you get PA square is equal to PB square. So, PA square means distance from P to this 2, 3, that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to the distance from P to B, that is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Am I correct now? So, now we get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 equals to x square plus y square minus 8x minus 10y plus 16 plus 25 plus 41. So, x square cancel, y square cancel. So, if you take minus 8x this side, 8x minus 4x is 4x, this will be 4y equals to 41 minus 13 is 28, divide by 4. So, x plus y equals to 7, that means second option is the right option. right, option 2. Otherwise, you can apply one more shortcut. The midpoint of 2 comma 3 find out. Midpoint of 2 comma 3 is midpoint of this 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5 you find out. Midpoint is equal to, this is another method, x1 plus x2 by 2, 4 plus 2 is 6 by 2, and next 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2, that will be 3 comma 4. Substitute this 3 comma 4 in the options, which will be satisfied, that is the answer. See x plus y, first option 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So, first option is eliminated. Second option 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, yes, second option. Third option is 12 plus 16, that is actually 28. So, it has been deleted. Fourth option won't be. So, second option is the right option. Finding midpoint method also you can apply, and one more formula also you can apply, that is, so I will give one more shortcut. Say this point is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, perpendicular bisector of the line joining a comma b you need to find out. That is actually 2 into x1 minus x2 into x plus 2 into y1 minus y2 into y equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus of x2 square plus y2 square. So, even if you substitute x1 means 2, y1 means 3, x2 means 4, y2 means 5, in this one you will get the same answer. Okay. Next, let us go for the, so next question now. Seventh one. If a of a comma 0, b of minus a comma 0, then the locus, yes, we can use distance formula also, no problem. Then the locus of the point P such that PA square plus PB square equals to 2C square is simply distance formula, that is all. First option x square plus y square plus a square minus c square is equal to 0. Second option x square plus y square plus a square plus c square is equal to 0. Third option 2x square plus y square plus 3a square minus c square is equal to 0. Fourth option x square minus y square plus a square minus c square equals to 0. Okay. So, that means actually let us say Px comma y be any point on the locus, such that Pa square plus Pb square is equal to C square, where a comma 0, b minus a comma 0. Pa square, that means the distance from, the square of the distance from P to A plus the square of the distance from P to B equals to 2c square. That means we can write directly x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, that is Pa square, plus Pb square means x plus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 2c square. Here simplification is very easy. See, if you observe these two equations, they are in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. See, we have formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. This is a basic algebra formula. So, with the help of this we can write this is 2 of x square plus a square, and this will be y square plus y square, 2y square equal to 2c square. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So, what do you get now? X square plus y square plus a square equal to c square. Therefore, x square plus y square plus a square minus c square is equal to 0. So, which is the right option? Is first one. Okay. So, now, let us move to the next question. Eighth question. The equation of the locus of P such that the join of a comma b and b comma a subtend a right angle at P is first option x square plus y square minus ax minus by plus ab equals to 0. Second one x square plus y square minus ax minus by plus 2ab equals to 0. Third one x square plus y square minus of a plus b into x plus y plus ab equals to 0. Fourth option x square plus y square minus of a plus b into x plus y plus 2ab equals to 0. Okay. So, now let us think this about this question now. This question actually we have the concept, the equation of the locus of P such that the join of x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 subtend a right angle at P means we need to find out equation of the circle whose extremities of the diameter are x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, that is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So, that means now here we need to apply like this, the equation of the locus of P such that the join of a comma b and b comma a subtend a right angle at P. That means say x1 comma y1 equal to a comma b, next x2 comma y2 as b comma a. These two becomes end points of a diameter of a circle. Then equation of the locus is equation of the locus, already we had a discussion, is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Substituting here x minus a into x minus b plus minus a into y minus b equals to 0. We get like this, x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab. So, quadratic equation in x we get. Here y square minus of a plus b into y plus ab equals to 0. From these two take minus of a plus b common. So, we get like this now, x square plus y square minus of a plus b common, we into x plus y, ab plus ab is plus 2ab equals to 0. This is the required equation of the locus. So, that means fourth option is the right option. Yes, diameter formula, ends of the diameter. So, that formula has been applied here. Okay. We will continue in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.